Hi everyone! The postman just delivered an invitation to my friend's birthday party. I'm really looking forward to it. It wasn't always like that. I used to dread any social event to which I was invited. Stay with me and I'll tell you how I overcame my fear of social events. It's very simple. First of all, I would plan ahead for the occasion. I would make sure to wear something that I felt comfortable in, as well as something that made me feel attractive and confident. I would always read magazines and newspapers to find topics to talk about so I could stay up to date with current affairs. Before leaving the house to go to the event, I would do some breathing and relaxation exercises to calm myself down. When I walk into a party and my heart is racing, I remind myself that these people pose no threat. I used to enter events with my shoulders hunched and telling myself internally that I didn't belong there. Now, I walk in with my head held high and my shoulders back. I remind myself that all these people are nervous too. I have nothing to be afraid of. When I would arrive at the event, I would single out an individual and introduce myself, listening to what the person has to say and maintaining good eye contact. Showing interest in that person's life will help take the focus off yourself. I know these tips sound a bit daunting, but if you keep practicing them every time you are invited to a social function, you will soon get used to them. In no time at all, you will begin to make new friends and lose the fear of social anxiety. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe so that you will always be updated when new videos are released, and also make sure to hit the bell button too.